YouTube doesn't need creators anymore. And it's already happening. Not in the future, right now. And most creators haven't even realized they're being replaced. For years, YouTube had a simple deal. Creators make videos, YouTube distributes them. Everyone wins. At least, that's what it looked like. Because now, that deal is starting to break. YouTube doesn't just host content anymore. It decides what gets seen, what gets recommended, and more importantly, what gets ignored. At first, YouTube was about creators. You subscribed to people. You chose what to watch. But now, most views don't come from subscribers. They come from the algorithm. The homepage, suggested videos, shorts feed. That's where attention lives now. And if you think about it, you probably didn't choose most of the videos you watched today. They were chosen for you. That's the moment things changed. Creators are no longer building audiences. The algorithm is. And if YouTube controls the audience, it doesn't really need individual creators anymore. It just needs content that works. Now here's where it gets uncomfortable. Content itself is changing. AI-generated videos, faceless channels, auto-edited clips, thousands of videos every single day with little to no human behind them. And some of them are getting millions of views. No personality, no identity, no real creator, just content, optimized to hold attention. And once content works without a creator, the creator becomes optional. From YouTube's perspective, it doesn't matter who made the video. It only cares about watch time, retention, engagement. If an AI video keeps people watching longer, it wins. If a faceless channel uploads 10 times a day, it wins. If a real creator spends a week on one video, they lose. Because on this system, slow doesn't survive. So naturally, the platform starts rewarding volume over identity, efficiency over creativity. And creators? They don't disappear. They just get pushed aside. This is the part most people miss. Creators aren't being banned. They're being outcompeted by automation, by AI, by content designed for the algorithm. And the uncomfortable truth? It's working. Because more content means more watch time. More watch time means more ads. More ads means more revenue. So there's no reason for YouTube to slow this down. This doesn't mean creators disappear overnight, but something fundamental has changed. YouTube isn't really a platform for creators anymore. It's a system for distributing attention. And inside that system, creators are no longer essential. They're just one way to generate content. So the real question isn't, will creators survive? It's this. What happens when creators are no longer the most efficient way to keep people watching?